Now today we will study about the right circular cone. See, this is the formation of right circular cone. This one is the right angled triangle. By keeping this stick to one place and moving this end of the triangle in circular way, we get the cone. This is stick to at one place. This is the right angled triangle. This side is stick to one place and this side is moved along a circular path. Then we get a cone. Then it will become like this. See, it will move like this, and here this side will remain constant. See here, what is a right circular cone? A solid generated by revolving a right angled triangle about one of sides containing the right angle is called a right circular cone. A solid generated by revolving a right angled triangle, this one is the right angled triangle, about one of its sides containing about one of its sides. Either we can take this side constant at one place, or we can take this side also constant at one place. Means these two sides are making the right angle. We are to take one of these two sides at a constant place, and the other point is free to move in a circular path. Then we get a cone. If we take this side as constant at one place, and then this point will be free to move, and it will move like this in a circular path, then we will get a cone. Again, but this will remain constant at one place. Now here in figure, OA is radius of circle, H is height of the cone, that is OB, L is the slant height. This is the slant height because it is slant position. Then it is slant height of the cone, it is AB. In right angle triangle AOB, this one is the right angle triangle AOB. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. OA square plus OB square. Now OA is R and OB is H. Then we put the values of OA and OB. We get from here L is equal to R square plus H square square root. Now we come to the surface area of right circular cone. First part is curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Curved surface area is this one. This surface area that is moving, that this point is moving, and it will be like this moving. Then this is the surface area, curved surface area of cone, and it is given by pi RL. Now total surface area is this curved surface area plus area of the circle below. Curved surface area plus area of the circle below, pi RL plus pi R square. Then pi R is common from here, pi R into L plus R. R is radius of base of cone, H is height of cone, L is slant height of cone. This should be known to you. Now curved surface area of cone is given by the formula pi RL, and total surface area is given by pi R into L plus R, where L is R square plus H square square root. Now these are the formulae that will be used in exercise 13.3. Now we will do some questions based on these formulae.